I made a Telegram bot that earns money while I do absolutely nothing, and people call me crazy for it. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can build one too. Telegram bots are these little automated programs that run inside the Telegram app. They can do all sorts of things, reply to messages, share links, even handle payments, all on their own once you set them up. What we're doing in this video is creating a bot that can bring in cash for us without needing constant attention. To start, we need BotFather. BotFather is this special bot built by Telegram to help you create and manage your own bots. It's the first stop, and it's pretty straightforward. Open Telegram. In the search bar at the top, type BotFather and look for the one with a blue check mark next to its name. Tap on it to open the chat. At the bottom, there's a Start button. Hit that. BotFather sends you a message with a long list of commands it can handle. Don't get overwhelmed. We're only using one right now. Type /newbot into the chat box and send it. That tells BotFather you want to create a new bot from scratch. BotFather replies asking you to pick a name for your bot. This is what people will see when they talk to it. I chose Profit Bot because it's simple and says what I'm aiming for. You can pick whatever you like, maybe Money Bot or Side Hustle Bot, something that feels right to you. Type your name and send it. This name doesn't have to be unique, so don't worry if someone else has used it. After that, BotFather asks for a username. This is different. This is how people find your bot on Telegram, and it has to be one of a kind. It also needs to end with bot. I tried at Profit Bot, but someone had already taken it. I messed around a bit and landed on at My Profit Bot 2025. Type yours. If it's taken, BotFather will say so, and you'll need to try again. Keep adjusting until you get one that works. When it's accepted, BotFather sends you an HTTP API key. It's a long mix of letters and numbers. This key is super important. It's how you'll connect your bot to the code later. I copied mine, opened a text file on my computer, pasted it there, and saved it as botkey.txt so I wouldn't lose it. That's your bot created, but it's just a shell so far. Next, I wanted to adjust how my bot looks and what it can do, at least on the surface. Back in the BotFather chat, type /start again and send it. You'll see that list of commands come up. Type /mybots and send it. BotFather shows you every bot you've made. Mine was just at My Profit Bot 2025 since it's the only one I'd set up. Click on that one or tap it if you're on your phone. A menu pops up with options like Edit Bot and Bot Settings. I went with Edit Bot to tweak a few things. You can change the name here if you're second guessing it. Then there's a description field. I typed a bot to help you earn money automatically, so anyone chatting with it knows what it's about. You can also add a picture. I had a $sign image on my phone, nothing fancy, and uploaded that. It's a small touch, but it makes the bot feel more real when someone opens it. After that, I went back to the menu and picked Edit Commands. This is where you decide what your bot can respond to. I wanted it to have some basic options, so I typed /start the bot and hit Enter. Then I added /help-get help on the next line and /earn-learn how to earn on the one after that. Each line is a command, followed by a dash, then a short explanation. When someone types a / in your bot's chat, these show up as suggestions they can click. I sent that list to BotFather, and it saved them. Right now, those commands don't actually work. They're just labels. The bot won't do anything until we give it some code to follow. It's like putting up a menu at a restaurant that's still being built. You're showing what's possible, but the kitchen's not ready yet. Now we want to connect the bot to code so it can actually function. Without code, it's useless, just a name sitting there. The code has to run somewhere, either on your computer or a server, to listen for messages and send replies. I went with Python because it's not too hard to learn, and there's a library called Python Telegram Bot that makes this whole process easier. First, you need Python on your computer. Go to python.org and download version 3.12. It's a simple install. Just click through the steps and make sure to check the box that adds Python to your path so you can use it from anywhere. Once that's done, open your terminal or command prompt. Type pip install Python Telegram Bot and hit Enter. That downloads the library and sets it up for you. Now create a file for your code. I named mine profitbot.py and opened it in a text editor. I use VS Code because it's free and helps keep things organized, but Notepad works too if that's what you've got. Start by typing from telegram.ext import updater, command handler, and hit enter. This pulls in the tools we need from the library. On the next line, type this. That line links your code to your bot. Now let's make it do something simple. Type this in and hit enter. On the next line, type this. This sets up the /start command to send a message back when someone uses it. Then add this on the next line. That tells the bot to use the function we just made. Finish with this on one line, and this on the next. These keep the bot running and listening. Save the file wherever you want. I put mine on my desktop. To test it, open your terminal again. You need to get to where your file is saved. If it's on your desktop, type cd desktop and hit enter. Then type python profitbot.py and hit enter. The code starts running. It might not show much in the terminal, but it's active. Go to Telegram, find your bot, then type /start. It should reply, bot is active, let's make some money. That means it's working. The problem is, if you close your terminal or turn off your computer, the bot stops. For it to run on autopilot, you need a server. I used Heroku because it's free for small projects. Go to Heroku.com, sign up, and create a new app. Give it a name and follow their steps to upload your profitbot.py file. You'll need to install their command line tool and type a few commands, but their site explains it all. Once it's up on Heroku, your bot runs 24/7 without your computer. Now, how does this bot actually make money? I played around with a few ideas that felt practical. One is affiliate marketing. You can add a command like /deals where the bot sends links to products or services. In your code, after the start function, add this, and then this. Replace that placeholder, your affiliate link, with a real affiliate link, say to a business software or a career course. If someone clicks and buys, you get a commission. For business professionals, this could be a tool like Trello or Slack they'd use anyway. For career people, maybe a link to a resume building site. Another way is selling something directly. I added this. You could sell a PDF guide, a short consultation, or anything small. I used PayPal for the link, but Stripe works too. Just set up an account and grab a payment URL. Then there are premium features. Keep basic replies free but charge for extras. For example, you can add this. Telegram's API has payment options you can tie in. Check their docs for how to add buttons. I started with affiliates because it's easiest to test. Telegram bots can absolutely generate income on their own if you put in the upfront work. Give it a shot yourself and let me know what you're building and any questions you have in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.